What's going on? This is Super Simple Fixes. Have you ever wanted your own QR code for your business website or blog? We're going to show you 2 different ways to create one for free. A QR code actually means quick response code, and it can be tagged with a phone number, a text, a website, anything that you're going to associate it with, and it will be able to be scanned by a phone. So here's the first way in how to create a free QR code. Okay, for the first method, we're going to open up canva.com and you're going to get yourself a free account, sign in. The one that I'm showing you now is going to get you a standard black and white QR code. The fancier one is going to come later in the video, so stick around and watch that. So right now we're going to go ahead and you can tell right now this is a free account. It says right there. I am going to, you could choose whatever you want. You could probably choose like a banner maker or whatever it is, a logo maker, but I'm going to choose a business card maker for now. And then I'm going to start designing. And you don't really need to design a business card. You can if you want, but what we're looking for is a QR code. And there's a couple ways to do it. If you chose a different, if you did like a banner, this may not be here, this QR code thing. If it's not there, click the little 3 dots and then click QR code and it'll take you to this little thing. This is available because I hit the business card. Anyway, so right now it's asking for the website. So I'm going to come over to the website that I want and I'm going to copy it. And I'm going to stick it in here, paste it, hit generate QR code. There's my QR code. This is my standard black and white QR code that I'm going to resize, and I can save as a PDF or PNG, whatever you want. However you do it, you need to make sure that you scan it to make sure it actually works. Okay? So there it is. I'll drag it onto my desktop. That's method number 1, standard black and white QR code. Method number 2 is going to be at unitag.io. So when you go to this website, it's really just going to say unitag.io. And you're going to scroll down and you're going to see try our free advanced QR generator. You don't even have to create a login. So for this one, I'm going to do the same thing. Pop in the website. Okay. You can change colors by coming down here. You can see I can change it to red or something, or magenta, or whatever I want. And let's say I want to do it like that. Changes like that. You can change the style, so we can keep it simple. Or you can have rounded eyes, which is these things right here. However you want to do it, make it look nice. And then if you do a logo, it's going to have to be small and transparent. And if you want a logo, you can upload it from your desktop or wherever you have it. And we'll stick it right in there. It's nice and small. Once you hit confirm, you can go ahead and check to see if it works. Hit confirm, scan it with your phone, it should work. Okay? The other way you could do it, you can actually create a QR code that is connected to a phone number. You want to put a phone number in here, the confirm button is going to show up, and then it'll be connected to this QR code. You can create an event. Let's say I create an event. Let's call this surprise party. Local brewery, right? So we'll call it the local brewery, and we will make that surprise party date on October 15th, 2022. Do it like that. and then you have to choose this one, and then you change the time, set it like that. Once that happens, you hit confirm. It generates a QR code for that event. If you download the QR code, you'll see that the QR code can be downloaded in high def, but this will cost you money. So if you just want a low res QR code, just hit next step, and this will be free. The low res QR code will be free. Okay? If you have any questions or comments, leave it on down below. Otherwise, y'all have a great day.